This is Mayadevi temple, which is a popular ancient temple in Haridwar. This is the first time I am seeing so many saints together. They all came here to take some commitment. Haridwar was previously known as Mayapuri, which is because of the goddess Maya Devi. It is believed that the heart and navel of goddess Sati fell into the region where the temple stands today, and thus it is referred to as a Sakti Pit. The temple is visited by many devotees from various parts of the country, especially during the Navaratri and Kumbh Mela in Haridwar. Kankhal is the oldest pilgrimage of the world. This is the Shishar Mahadev temple. Outside of the temple there is a painting which represents the history of this place. This is the place where Daksh organized the Brihaspati Sthava Yajna. He invited everyone but intentionally avoided Shiva and Sati. Shiva told Sati not to go to a ceremony where she and her husband are not invited. Even though discouraged by Shiva, the parental bond made Sati to ignore social etiquette and her husband's wishes. Sati went to the ceremony alone, but she was snubbed by Daksh and insulted by him in front of the guest. She, unable to bear further insult, and ran into the sacrificial fire and immolated herself. Some other legends say that she invoked yogic flames and immersing herself in it, burned to death. This kund is known as Sati Kund, which is located here. Shiva got angry and sent his Ganas, the terrible demigod Veerabhadra and Bhadrakali. On the direction of Shiva, Veerabhadra appeared in the midst of Daksh assembly. Daksh also tried to escape, but Veerabhadra cut off his head, which was thrown to the fire. Later, Shiva's anger cooled down, and he forgave Daksh and brought him back to life, but with a goat's head. Daksh bowed before the Lord for his kindness and requested him to stay here forever. Shiva assured him that a fraction of him will be present of his body, and particularly in the month of Shravan, and promised to stay over there. The present temple was built by Queen Thankwar in 1810 and rebuilt in 1962. It is a place of pilgrimage for the Shivite devotee on Mahashivaratri. This is the place where the first marriage of Mahadev and Devi Shakti took place in the presence of God and Goddess. Kankhal is the birthplace of Goddess Sati, and it is here that she also committed self-immolation in the Yagakund. So it is believed that the underground energy is present at this place. The devotee who comes here for the darshan gets the feeling of the energy in the very first time itself. Anandamayi Ma was an Indian saint and yoga guru. She was described by Shivananda Saraswati as the most perfect flower the Indian soil has produced.